Y'all ain't seen this truck in a long time. Losi Tenacity. It was a regular Tenacity. I put all the Pro parts on it, all the shocks that are off the Pro, the chassis off the Pro, all the shock towers off the Pro. This little thing's a ripper. We're gonna get her out on 3S here in a minute. And I used one of my Rolalo. I didn't have a receiver for it. I stuck a Rolalo receiver in there, so we're gonna go find the Rolalo controller to this, and we're gonna rip this. You're gonna have to get off that ramp. Hey, hey, get off the ramp. Here I come, boys. We are going to hit the Tenacity first. Losi Tenacity on 3. Hold on, buddy. Oh, perfect long. Slow poke. Flip it. Thanks, buddy. He's chasing you. Oh, what the world? It flipped itself. A little lightweight here, but they're beasts. A little lighter weight, but she's a ripper. Little 3S beast going up against a heavyweight 6S Suga. And he's going to push out. Here comes at us. Get out of here. Oh, I missed the ramp. Oh, I hit the ramp. What? Beautiful, y'all. 3S beast. CNHL LiPo, of course. A little 3200 shorty pack at that. Rolalo transmitter in there, y'all. I put my Rolalo transmitter in there because, yeah, this truck didn't have one. You see. I took all the parts off of DV Pro and put them on my regular Tenacity. Look at this thing, handling is amazing. Look at that. Oh, almost over the fence. Have fun. Contrary, please. Holy crap. Missed the ramp. As you guys can see, I haven't been hitting the ramp at full speed because at speed she's hard to... This thing's a beast at handling though, really is. That was a good one. Oh! That's a good one. Oh no! Landed the chassis down on some trees. Took it like a champ. Nuts, y'all. No. Oh. Killer, Eric. Well, YouTube, I told my 5-year-olds this was their truck, and I guess I'm gonna let them test it out. See what you can do, boy. Beautiful jump, my kid. Beautiful, dude. Bring her back. Don't hit the house. Don't hit the building. There you go, my dude. Their first 10 scale, boys. Let him have a couple jumps, man. Oh, you missed it. Got too excited. Yeah, you tried to go too fast. Got too excited. Not fast enough, but you jumped it. Back up a little bit. Back up past you. There you go. Now turn around. Get it going straight and just hit it with a little bit of speed. Go. Just line her up. There you go. Get it going straight. Now go. Oh, bad landing. That's all right. He landed it. Let Kenny have a turn. Look at him go. Let your brother have a try. Twin brother's turn. Yeah, one more time. Go ahead.
Okay, so we get 4 tries.
This is only his 3rd try. Oh, listen, bub, hold on. Teaching time. Hey, if it's going like this in the air, level it out, tap your brakes. If it's going like it, if his nose is going down first, to hit the gas. But if it's going like this, you got to tap your brake a little bit. Let your brother try. Let him have a try. What's the brake? Push forward on it. You know how to do it.
Dad,
watch out. No, watch out. I ain't letting nobody else jump it. No. Get her back there, line her up.
I know how to jump.
No, you don't, boy. You ain't never jumped an RC in your life. Don't you fib me, Ryan. Take it easy. Get the feel for it, boy. Oh! Ah! You can't keep the gas held in the air, dude. You made it do a backflip. You gotta let off the brake and hit the brake. Listen, if the truck's going over backwards, you gotta tap the brakes, dude, and level it out. If you're not gonna land it on the wheels, I'm not gonna let you do it.
Dad, is that how when you jump?
Listen, when you go off the ramp, let off the gas. After you hit the top of the ramp, just let off the gas.
Dad, that's what you do at the field when you like hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You do a backflip.
When it does a backflip, you gotta hold the throttle in the air. When it gets off the edge of the ramp, let off the gas. Beautiful. Beautiful.
That's what I was doing.
Drive it back here. Hold on. Come straight. Nope. Nope. Hold on now. Turn it around. Back up.
Dad, how old is he?
How old is he? He's your twin brother. How old are you?
I said the truckie.
That truck's a few years old. One of my oldest. That's one of my first RCs.
How old is
Let's go, buddy. See what you got.
Kenny?
Oh. Go.
Can I have
Drive
a
it back.
photo?
You gotta hit it harder than that, dude.
I can have a photo.
Watch out, man.
Ow.
Can you get out the way? Drive it back, Kenny. He's got one more hit in him, dude. He ain't even hit it hard yet. Hit it a little faster, dude. Back it up the road a little bit. Quit steering so much. Back it up a little bit. There you go. Whatever, right there. Just go. Go. Oh, good enough. You shouldn't have hit your brakes, though. It was going to land. Let your brother try again. Couple more tries, and I'm going to jump at it again. Perfect jump. Perfect jump. All 4 wheels hit the ground. Perfect. All the way. The ramp's over here. Ramp's over here. You missed the ramp, son. There you go, right beside you. There you go, buddy. Let off. Oh, hard hit on the back. Hey. Move. Oh! Dude, you guys are killing the back of it. Let Kenny have a turn because you guys are yourself. Let off. Almost perfect. You hit the brakes a little too hard. You barely tapped the brakes to level it out. That was good though, buddy. Perfect, buddy, perfect. Nice hit the brakes and leveled it out, perfect. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Perfect. You knew it was going backwards and about to wreck again, you tapped the brakes and made it hit all 4s, perfect. That's how it's
Can I
done.
try to do that?
But let off the gas when you hit the ramp. Let off the gas so it don't have to. Let off, oh no. Woo-hoo-hoo! What?
Can I
You hit the brakes and was about to hit the nose. You hit the gas and brought it back out again. I hope I got that on video. That was an amazing save, dude. Oh my God. Yeah, let your brother have a try.
That was awesome.
That was a freaking amazing save, dude. I hope to God I got that on camera.
It was like this and then
You hit the gas and brought it back up, didn't you? It went like this. It was about to hit the butt. You hit the brakes and then too much. And then it was about to hit the nose and you gassed it again and hit the wheels. That was awesome.
It went like this and then
I really hope I got that on camera. When you hit the ramp, let off the gas. Go hard. Let off. Oh, you should see it was about to hit the front wheels. When the front nose was about to hit like that, give it a little bit of gas, buddy. When your front end's about to hit down like that, you got to gas it and bring it up so all 4 wheels hit level. Yeah, drive her down and turn around. Now come at the ramp. Right there. Oh, same thing. You gotta hit the gas. Yeah, you are good at doing it. You gotta hit it harder, Kendon, way harder. Watch out of the way so you don't hit you.
That was the cool thing because it went like this and then
It did.
this and then this.
There you go. Why'd you hit the brakes? You need to hit the gas. If the front end's going down, hit the gas, not the brakes. Just jump it off straight, dude. It's shut off again. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It's hitting that switch, I think. Give it some speed. Get over to the ramp. Hit it with some speed. Yeah, I don't know. Hold on, dude. Oh, we got a short somewhere. What the hell? It's back on now. Oh, man. Oh, man. Is this thing on still?